Okay, so recap, we did not do the window motor yesterday. Yesterday we did the filming with the Lamborghini Murcielago. Super cool. Love that guy. He's a really genuine guy. I like being around him. He's a really good person. Two sensors here. There's a little bolt that goes inside this tiny hole here. The door card off. They're just snapped in, like so. Pull the door handle, that little piece behind the door handle, you pull that off. Real small piece. And there is a Phillips screw back behind them. I would highly suggest if you have screwdrivers that are magnetic, Hank, don't get in the car, please. Use them because you do not want to, I mean, you're going to pull the door card off, you're going to find it regardless, but it just saves time because if it drops down there, you're just like looking for it, so on and so forth. Highly suggest the stick magnet. They work wonders. Beautiful. And you have to disconnect the actuator cables for the door handle itself. That allows you to open it. So all you have to do is pop them off. They are different. You can't mistake the top for the bottom, which is nice. This isn't the fun part. These are the parts that I don't like to do. One sec. These three bolts right here, 1, 2, and 3, that's to hold the motor in place. These outside ones are holding basically this black frame in and the regulators. That's a bolt here for regulator. There's another one for regulator that's like locking the glass in place. All right, we got her. I like using long extensions in general. All right, hold up. I'm gonna swap cams and put you back on the tripod so like this isn't in the way. And I have a meeting with a newly found acquaintance in LA today at noon. So I'm trying to get this done before that. Then we're gonna go hit the gym, baby. Now I wanna set this glass back in and try to push it halfway down. And make sure when you're doing your glass, you put it back in the right spot. I just tested the window, 7 times. And we're good to go, baby. We're freaking good to go. Anti-touch works, it all works. So I'm gonna tighten all these down and put the panel back on. And be good to go. Hell yeah. Feels good, doesn't it? That's off-road. Woo! Okay, so window motor is done. It's completed. It works good. It's good. I'm glad it's done because that was a pain in the ass. So now I'm getting prepped. I'm chilling out before I eat my pre-workout meal because it was cold out there and my knees were like, ugh, you're 27, you're not 15 anymore. Meal, it's going to be pro oats and blueberries and probably some brown sugar. Truvia brown sugar, not like actual brown sugar. All right, so we are headed to the gym now, babies. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. I don't know why I said babies. It was really weird. I don't know. I'm sorry for that. I apologize for that stupidity level. Anyway, headed to the gym regardless. Window is great on the Z. Works phenomenally. Beautiful. Found a new artist that I like. He's got a couple songs. One is called Timeless. I've been listening to it like on repeat. And then there's another one that I'm listening to now. I'll drop it on here on the screen.
Bitch, I'm just a motherfucker. Now I'm lying. I knocked her ass down too and we got in lots of trouble.
We just got to the gym. I just mixed up my pre-workout. Got my Raw Nutrition shaker blender bottle and my Essentials grape, baby, because like I wasn't big on grape flavor stuff, but this stuff And they were out of stock for this for like the first like 3 months that I was like an ambassador. And now like I want to use it, but I don't want to use it because I don't want them to go out of stock again. So we got push session today and then back tomorrow. Oof, let's go. Oh, also, there is not a soul in this gym right now. That will probably change, knock on wood, in the next like 15 minutes when I actually start hitting working sets. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Starting with some incline bench. I love incline barbell bench. I feel like I get a much more like inner and intention, mind to muscle connection because I'm creating that tension as I'm pushing up and in better with a barbell than I do dumbbells. So that's something I can mentally work on dumbbells as well. Right here in front of the gym. This happens all the time. All the time. All the time we get people pulled over here. Trusted time. We're doing a close grip bench, and we're gonna do overhead, either cables or overhead dumbbell tape press. I'm gonna cut these 2 lights off on the corners, see what it looks like in here. It's nighttime, and we're in here by ourselves. Again, thank you guys for watching. We are going to get this workout wrapped up and go to the store, go grab some food and make some dinner because we need the protein, we need the carbs, we need the fats, we need all the healthy good foods to fuel weight gain and muscle gain, obviously. With that being said, let's go. And we are back. I am now at home. Obviously, we're going to do lean beef with real butter added to the rice and do some Velveeta shreds on top with some salsa, which is organic salsa. So yeah, we're gonna bash some lean beef, jasmine rice, broccoli, sauteed broccoli with, what flavor is this? Veggie roasted garlic and rosemary. That stuff's really good to throw on your veggies if you wanna. Normally I do it in the oven, but I'm gonna season the broccoli florets in the pan and saute them in the pan with natural butter. So yeah, do it differently this time. Yo, so not gonna lie, this dinner, I mean, it's really high calorie and I'm here for it. What do you think, Hankers? What do you think, baby? That's my boy. All right, so we got a burrito. So the lean beef, the rice, broccoli, sauteed broccoli, all that kind of stuff. Salsa, Velveeta shreds. I threw that all in a burrito as well. Scrumptious. And I got the bowl, the rest of it right there. So this is gonna go down easily, smoothly. I also had 8 ounces of Fairlife milk on top of it. So yeah, we'll see what else happens tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna go hit back today. And then after back, we're going to do the wheel hub on the Z and then take Hank for a walk probably. And probably cook some good food tonight. He going super wide. Super wide. Yep.
Bicep is like
Right.
What you want to get next? You want to dump another bag, or you want to do a bicep?
Let's do one more back and then by. You want to do seated rows,
Yeah.
cable rows?
So wimpy.
Come on. Good breathing. Come on. So, you said single arm dumbbells? Yeah. All right. What do they call that? Don't they call that mogging? Is that the word? Like when like if you're like the center of the frame and like you're focused, and I come in here and
You just like outperform me on
is
everything.
that what that is?
Yeah, you just mod.
Okay. I've never used that before. I was like, I heard it before.
Like ego and be a little. Almost done with this workout. Machine rear delts next and final. I really love doing both cables, standing in the middle, behind the head, standing curls. I used to love doing those. So we're training back and biceps and rear delts today with my boy Nolan. Known him since I moved here pretty much. Malachi's wife's son, the oldest son, right? Yeah, that's dope. But yeah, when I met Noel, he was much skinnier than he is now.
Like
Much skinnier, bro. 140? What are you at now?
166.
Bro, 20-pound difference. Dude's jacked. He's got really good arm size. Yeah, see? Yeah, he got good arm size. So, yeah, we're gonna finish off with some rear delts and some biceps.
190.
That had to been somebody. That definitely wasn't Charles Gaines. Shoot for 40. I'm gonna start off with 40. Try to get like 20 reps. Lock down. You got a lot of tension here. Lock down. Yes, there it is. That was pull the arms. Good. Yeah, there it is. Back, biceps or delts. I'm toasted. I'm gonna drink some EAAs, head home, grab some grub, and then do my wheel bearing or my wheel hub. Stop saying wheel bearing, it's wheel hub. Boy, look at that burrito. That is fire. So we're gonna have fun, quote unquote fun, doing this wheel hub. I got the car jacked up already, which I hate the jack points on the Z's. They're terrible. I wish there was one directly in the front, even for a low profile jack. It's kind of tough. So much smoother. I don't feel any friction at all on this thing. I know you won't be able to hear it, but actually you might. Yeah. This one, I can feel it when I'm driving now, so this one's definitely like over its limit. All right. It looks like there's 4 on the back side. I'm gonna have to get 2, so yippee! There we go. Got the mug. Look at that. That's bad. This has a lot of friction in here. I want to pull that. That's hateful. That compared to that, like, duh. This thing, this new one feels a lot lighter too. It sounds so good. Next though, before I finish this off, I want to see if there's there should be a specified like torque setting, so I don't over torque it. Because Ferris power, baby.